Hey there, Robert Moody and Wally Wells here with MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center on Lake Louisville. Today we're going to show you our new 2025 Cruisers Yachts 46 Cantius.
So here we are on the transom of the 46 Cantius, and there's a lot of features back here. The boat has a tremendous amount of storage space back here where you can actually put fenders large enough to accommodate this boat back there. There's an electric grill here. Electric grills are perfect for boating because you don't have to store any charcoal or propane or any of that. We have the hydraulic swim platform down here with the steps that automatically deploy and retract when you lower and raise the platform. And in addition, as you're using the platform, there's a refrigerated drawer back here where you can make getting another drink very convenient. And then a walk up into the cockpit. So here in the cockpit's equipped with a refrigerator on the starboard side. On the port side, there's an ice maker, big L-shaped sofa with table, and overhead there's the retractable awning, the Sure Shade. Here at the bow of the 46 Cantius, we have the sun lounges with the flip-up backrests. There's a pop-out table with drink holders. And forward, there's the anchor windlass is recessed down in the anchor locker, creating a very clean sweep up forward, nothing to trip over.
All right, now we're in the galley of the 46 Cantius. Like all the Cantius series, they have the sliding glass doors, so you can have it open on a pretty day like today. Makes it really easy, you're not messing with a bunch of canvas. What I like is they did put the galley aft. So right here in the back where everybody likes to hang out, where all the food and drink is, you got a refrigerator and a freezer. In addition to the 2 refrigerators outside and an ice maker outside, plenty of refrigeration on this boat. A great galley for prepping food. You got electric burner, you got a convection microwave and an oven right here, plenty of storage, but it's right here where everybody likes to congregate. Gonna move a little bit further into the salon, and you see you got a nice double seat over here. Over here you got a nice salon table that opens up. You can definitely fit 4 or 5 people around this table, or have it closed for cocktails. Something they did on this 46 Cantius is they made the staterooms downstairs and bathrooms a little bit bigger compared to the 50 Cantius. I like what they did is they made this sofa able to slide out. You pop out this table and this whole thing slides out to here, filler cushions. So this is one big bed. It's like 7 feet from there to the end. So a great third bed if you need it, because this is a 2 stateroom boat, not 3. But if it's for a family and 2 staterooms on a regular basis is enough, I would go for this, maybe over the 50, just because the heads and everything else downstairs is way bigger. So great seating right here. Got opening side windows on each side. Pretty sunroof that goes up there too. This is like all the other Cruisers Yachts Cantius series. We're using VOLVO Penta IPS joystick. This has VOLVO Penta IPS 600s on it. Great, easy to dock. We're gonna have anybody in your family dock in this boat, within 30 minutes. It's a lot of fun. People enjoy driving and docking the boats nowadays. So great systems, great Garmin units on there. Let's step on down and take a look at the staterooms. So when you come down the landing, this is a massive stateroom. A lot of people think that something this size and this much volume and height and headroom in here would be the owner's stateroom, but this is actually the VIP stateroom. One thing Cruisers Yachts does on this Cantius series, there's a lot of volume in the boat. When volume, I mean it's tall off the waterline, so there's still a lot of headroom, even though I'm up here in the bow of the boat. It's a tall boat off the water, but that gives us room inside and headroom. So after somebody's in their VIP room, they have their own door to come into an oversized head. This is really your day head, because I got another door here going to the hallway, but the shower on this thing is massive for a guest stateroom. And you got plenty of room in here if it's a day head. Somebody wants to come in, change clothes, put on a bathing suit. They don't have to do it in a stateroom. There's plenty of room in here. Again, only being 2 staterooms and 2 heads, they made everything bigger compared to the 50 Cantius. Let's go take a look at the master. So here's the owner suite. Back in the aft of the boat, it's a centerline bed, on and off from both sides. You have a great sofa, a TV, There is tons of storage back here in the owner's suite. Even included an optional combination washer dryer. That's back here. I want to show you all these storage compartments. All this is storage. So you can load up your boat, keep it stocked with all the gear and clothes, everything you want on the boat, but nobody sees it. It's nice and clean. I love the big counters, great for decorations and pictures, all your memories of using your boat on the water. Big windows, nice wood blinds on it, a lot of privacy back here. But what a great owner suite on this 46 Cantius. Let's take a look before we walk up here. Something important too is closet space. So it's a huge closet right here, hanging locker up there. And then also, I want you to look at the ensuite head and separate shower. A lot of great storage behind the mirrors, a lot of doors everywhere. Again, plenty of storage on the. Well, thanks for watching the video on this 2025 Cruisers Yachts 46 Cantius. I'm Robert Moody.
I'm Wally Wells.
Please come out and see us at MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center, Pier 121 on Lake Louisville. We do have a large selection of Cruisers Yachts in stock now. It's been a while. Our docks are full of boats of the Cantius series and also the GLS. Please come out and see us.